Hello friends, myself Dr. Ramesh Gogre, Assistant Professor from BNN College, BOT. And today my topic is the introduction of the catalyst. Here we can see what is meant by catalyst and what is the importance of the catalyst in the reaction. First of all, we will see the what is meant by catalysis. If the rate of chemical reaction is affected by presence of substance which itself remain unchanged by reaction, then the phenomena is referred to as the catalyst, and the substance involved in the reaction is called as the catalyst. It means that the catalyst is defined as the substance that changes the velocity of reaction without itself being changed in the process. The velocity is accelerated by the lowering the activation energy necessary for the reaction to occur. Now you can see here the reaction A plus B. This is the reactant. Then it will when it will be react, then X product will be take place here in presence of the catalyst. And the mechanism of this catalytic reaction is given here. The active catalyst, it will react with the reactant to form the catalyst reactant complex. Further that product it will be formation take place. And then finally end of the reaction, the active catalyst or catalyst it will be remain unchanged, means it will not take part in the reaction, it will be remain unchanged. Now we will see here the importance of the catalyst. Why it is the importance? Because that catalyst reagents are superior than the stoichiometric reagents. Why? Because the catalyst can make a reaction possible under the achievable condition. It reduces the necessity of the expensive and dangerous condition. It generates high yield as well as the high product purity. It reduces the amount of the formation of the side product and waste created. It generates non-racemic mixture of the enantiomer, and it will be make the chemical process greener to the environment, means it will not be hazardous to the environment. It is estimated that the catalyst contribute 1/6 of value of all manufactured goods in the industrial countries, means maximum reaction it will be performed in the industry by using catalytic, because it is the economically good for industry. Key characteristic of the catalyst. What is the characteristics? The catalyst, it should be in the good activity, it gives or it is in the high selectivity. The operating time of that catalyst, it should be the long. It is the compatibility with the process. It is the robustness, means it will not be decomposed in the reaction, and the cost of the catalyst should be the low. This is the characteristic of the catalyst. Now we will see how does catalyst work. A catalyst provides an alternative mechanism for chemical reaction with the lower activation energy. Here you can see that energy profile diagram. In this energy profile diagram, there are the two transition state is there. One transition state is by catalyst and one is the without catalyst. This higher transition state, it shows this reaction is going without catalyst, means that it is higher activation energy. And another one that transition state is showing is here, that activation energy of this path is lower because that reaction is catalyzed by the, that's why the catalyst, the role of the catalyst is the lower the activation energy and faster the rate of reaction. Now we will see here the type of the catalyst. There are the two types of the catalyst. One is the heterogeneous catalyst and another one is the homogeneous catalyst. Now we will see here the heterogeneous catalyst. What is meant by heterogeneous catalyst? The catalyst, it is in the different phase than the rest of the reaction mixture. and the catalyst and substrate are in the two different phase. Means that that catalyst is in the solid phase and reactant it may be in the liquid phase. For example, hydrogenation of ethene using nickel catalyst. And the mechanism of the heterogeneous catalyst is showing is here. Here, that hydrogen it is the adsorbed on the surface of metal to form the adsorbed hydrogen atom. In the next step, ethylene adsorbed to the catalyst surface, and lastly the ethylene react with the adsorbed hydrogen to give the product ethane. Next one is the homogeneous catalyst. What is meant by homogeneous catalyst? Homogeneous catalyst is a same phase as the reaction mixture. The catalyst and reactant are dissolved in the solvent and the catalysis is performed in the solution phase. For example, acid catalysis, organometallic catalysis and enzymatic catalysis. You can see this is the good representative for the homogeneous catalysis. This is the starting material and this catalyst it will be from the complex with the starting material by using that catalyst, and it will be give the product and catalyst at the end of the reaction it will be remain unchanged. Mechanism of the homogeneous catalyst reaction is showing is here. This is the catalyst which is activated, and this activated catalyst it will be react with the starting material, then it will be from the complex that reactant catalyst complex will be formation take place. After that nucleophile it will be react with this complex. In the next step transmetallation it will be occur. After that transmetallation reductive elimination of the product it will be get here, and finally that catalyst it will be remain unchanged at the end of the reaction. Now we will see what is the difference between the heterogeneous versus or heterogeneous catalyst versus homogeneous catalyst. Heterogeneous catalyst is the distinct solid phase, whereas the homogeneous in the same phase as reaction medium. Heterogeneous catalyst readily separated, but homogeneous is difficult to separate out. Next one is that heterogeneous catalyst readily regenerated as well as the recycled, but homogeneous is expensive and difficult to separate out. Heterogeneous catalyst the rate of not fast, but in the homogeneous catalysis rate of reaction is very high. The diffusion in the heterogeneous catalysis is limited, but in the homogeneous catalysis there is no diffusion control. If the diffusion is started, then reaction is not controlled in this homogeneous catalysis. The selectivity of the heterogeneous catalysis is the lower, but selectivity of the homogeneous catalysis is the higher. Heterogeneous catalysis long service life, but homogeneous catalysis is the short in service, or life of the catalyst is the short. Next we will see here heterogeneous catalyst is the high energy process, but homogeneous catalyst in the mild condition. Heterogeneous catalyst mechanism is poor to understanding, but homogeneous mechanism is well understood. This is the common whatever that difference between heterogeneous versus homogeneous catalyst is given here or explained here. Thank you.